In today's recipe, I share with you how to cook fresh catfish soup. Super easy to put together and delicious. Please do well to watch to the end and give this video a thumb up. So guys, this is the catfish we are cooking today. You see how neat it is. I have already cleaned it. If you want to clean your catfish just like this, please do well to check my previous video. I already shared a video on how to clean catfish properly. So I had in salt and water. So I'll soak this catfish in salt water so that the salt can penetrate properly into the catfish. Okay, so this is what I do. I will then set this aside and go ahead and blend my pepper. So these are the pepper mix I will be using. Do not worry, I'm going to share everything I use in the description box. Okay, so just do well to check it out. I put some oil in my pot and allow it to heat up. Then I added my blended pepper. Okay, this is so simple, very simple recipe. Then I added just little salt. Please add just little salt. Remember, our catfish is already soaked in salt water. Then I had chicken seasoning. Okay, use any seasoning of your choice. All right, mix it together. Then I'll go ahead and cover it to cook. After some minutes, I quickly came back and give it a quick stir, just like so. Then I'll cover it also to continue cooking until it thickens up a little. All right, so after a few minutes, this is what we have. The pepper is already getting thick, as you can see. So right now I'll just go ahead and add my catfish. This is so easy and super delicious. If you are still watching my video to this point, thank you so much. I appreciate you, and please do well to give this video a thumb up. And if you are yet to join this awesome family, please click on the subscribe button. It is free, and turn on the post notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay, so guys, so at this point I am not using my spoon to mix at all. Just hold both sides of your pot and then mix it together. You don't use your spoon at this point, else all the fish will just pieces in the soup, and we don't want that. So this is how I mix my fresh catfish soup. Okay, so I cover it for a few more minutes, and this is what we have. Our fresh catfish soup is ready. Serve this with any swallow of your choice, and you can do well serve it with rice. Thank you all so much for watching. Remain blessed until I see you in my next video. Bye bye.